Installing a linear drain with mosaic tile, here is a solution to a potential serious problem. Okay, so I got the linear drain in here, and the linear drain has a membrane that overlaps, and then what you do to make this, to tie this all in, then you put another membrane from the wall, overlap at least 2 inches on this, the membrane from the linear drain, and the same here and the same all the way around. If you're doing a large format tile, then you just put the membrane on and it's perfectly fine. But if you're doing a mosaic tile, there's a potential problem with that, especially if the mosaic tiles are very small. So if you've got large format tiles, no problem. Just imagine that's a 24-inch tile. That's going to go straight down like that, and it's not going to be a problem. But if you have a mosaic tile, you've got a layer of membrane here, and then when you overlap it, you put your membrane on the whole floor, you have a membrane that goes all the way over, overlaps this 2 inches to here. What happens is now you've got a single layer here and you've got a double layer here. And with very small tiles, you can get like a little trough here because of that double layer, and then your water can puddle up in front of the drain. I've seen it happen. So the best way to avoid that when you're doing mosaic tiles is just put 2 layers of membrane. So for example, on this side, I'm going to put a layer of membrane from there up to this layer, but not overlapping it, and then I'm going to put another layer on top of that, and that's going to go from 2 inches here up to here. To avoid with the mosaic tiles, to avoid getting a puddle in front of the drain, put a single layer, go up to the first one, then put another layer on top. That way you have a uniform pitch and you don't get this little dip here in front of the drain where you could potentially get a puddle.